Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download your credit report from Credit Karma so you can save it or review it later. First, open the Credit Karma app or go to the Credit Karma website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and tap on the credit section. From there, choose the credit report option to view your full credit report. When your credit report opens, scroll through the page and look for an option that says Download, Print, or Save Report. This option is usually located near the top or bottom of the report page. Tap or click on the download option and choose the format available, such as a PDF file. The report will then be saved to your device or downloaded to your computer. After the download is complete, open the file to make sure everything looks correct. You can now store it, print it, or share it if needed. And that's how you download your credit report from Credit Karma. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.